Engineering for Kids Festival. We do this annually in our Early Childhood Education Department here in Congo School. We have STEAM engineering in our curriculum, and that's science, technology, engineering, arts, and mathematics. And in this month of September, all our pupils are all engineers. We've introduced them to different various activities that introduces engineering branches: chemical engineering, environmental engineering, mechanical engineering, and electrical engineering.
This is my fourth engineering festival since four of my children studied ECE here in Congo School, and every time is a great experience.
Today, the kids and also us parents had so much fun with the activities of the Engineering Festival.
I'm so proud because finally my child is quite experiencing this kind of activity.
Lingaw siya, then mga bata mag-learn new ideas, experience, apa doon silang path. Kung silang gusto is ang new future nila.
Which booth is your favorite?
The microscope.
Which one do you like best?
The civil.
Civil. Thank you so much to our dear parents for their continuous support for our pupils' activities and for our students in high school who are also here to showcase their exhibits and experiments in the various branches of engineering. See you again next year as we prepare more engaging and interactive activities for our pupils.